drowning in your love. Every time I try to rise above, I'm swept away by love. Baby, I can't help it. You keep me drowning in your love.
James, do you need a track out there or no? That's what I'm trying to find out.
Hey,
What?
We gotta make sure it's all good for you guys tonight. Otherwise,
Don't kiss back, love me. Baby, I'm back. You got to trust me, love me. Carry on along, baby. Even when you're crazy, love me. Baby, I'm back. You got to trust me. Let's get started, yeah. I'm only me, our enemy. Hey. When you shut down and all the other lights turn into red, in the silence of the gate, the same decorate with velvet drapes. Outside you see the dark rose, but you don't know the spheres of gold ahead. Hold on, so let go. Hold on, you'll know the help is on its way. Rise up, rise up, rise up, Madeleine. The sun will come up again. Rise up, rise up, rise up, Madeleine. The summer will come in, kiss you with honesty, love you unconditionally, kiss you and let you free, give you back your dignity. So rise up, rise up, rise and live again. It's only you can, Madeleine. Oh, 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 Madeleine. Remember when we used to sit and watch from the bridge and wonder where the ships would go, who was on and what they would find out. Ooh, you wrote it in a notebook and said someday this would be a story to tell. You put it in a movie, baby, be the movie star. Someone stole your tears and watch you smile and play. Hey, hey. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, and you'll know that help is on its way. Rise up, Madeleine. The sun will come up again. Rise up, Madeleine. The summer will come in, kiss you with honesty, love you unconditionally, trust you and let you be, give you back your dignity. So rise up, rise and live again. It's only you can, Madeleine. Oh, 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 Madeleine. Oh, 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 Madeleine.
that says just to be close, please. We have to do something with the track. What do you guys want to do? Permanent?
Come on, guys.
That's like our go-to.
Let's do permanent stay.
Permanent stay?
Permanent stay.
Alright, kick it. Look in the sunshine, call your name, but you should have never let you go. Say just for the record, you still got my heart, so the rest of my AJ, your voice was really powerful.
Yeah,
man. Have those ad-libs.
Yeah. All right, you guys. So, this is the part during the Soundcheck party where you guys get to ask us whatever you want to know about Backstreet Boys. Assuming that you guys are all diehard Backstreet Boys fans. Yes? All right, you guys, put your hands together first and foremost for the man with the coolest shorts.
Baby 30. So the Mayweather and Pacquiao fight was just last Sunday.
It was? They fought?
Yeah.
Really?
Just
kidding.
You're in Malaysia. Whoa.
Just kidding.
So if you have a boxer name, what would it be?
B-Rock.
We're big Pacquiao. Well, most of us were rooting. I think all of us were rooting this way. We're big Pacquiao fans. We'd like to see a rematch. 100% healthy.
You can go last if you want, since you're the biggest fan.
My name would be Killer Kev.
Kill a kill.
Killer Kev.
You know, armpit is It's named Kili Kili here.
Kili Kili?
Yes.
Kili Kili. I'm the armpit man.
Wow. Easy.
I don't know.
AJ double jab clean. I don't know. I can't think of it.
Johnny No Name.
Johnny No Name? That doesn't really strike the fear in people's eyes.
Probably just Nasty Nick or something.
Ay, wow.
Speedy Hand D's.
D's?
D's what? D's? Speedy Gonzalez.
How about just Senor Whip?
Senor Whip. Maybe Delicious D.
Wow.
Yeah, delicious D.
Delicious D. That sounds.
I'd be
I've seen I'm supposed to bring you gummies. Yeah, Philippine gummies. I've seen you and they got it over there. I'm not supposed to bring food in time.
Hello, Miss.
Hi, boys. Hi, welcome back to the Philippines.
Thank you.
And we're really happy to have you back in here. Congratulations for all being family. Yeah, so congratulations to Nick as well and to Lauren. We're actually hoping to meet her and see her as well. But my question is, what kind of legacy would you like to pass on to your children and to your former kids? Or to your future kids, rather. Future.
Former kids, yeah.
Take that back.
Who was that?
But what kind of legacy would you like to pass on to your kids?
Wow. Now it's your turn to answer.
I had a chance to watch as they grow up, watch Dad, do their thing every night. And Bailey, prime example. He's an awesome singer, talented kid. He's following in his dad's footsteps. Who knows if the rest of our kids will do the same? I know from what Kevin said a couple days ago, his son, not really into the singing thing, more into the tech world. He's like the next Steve Jobs already. But just a real positive legacy, show that Daddy worked really hard to take care of our families. And that hopefully our kids will then do the same for their kids.
For me, it's, I have two things. AJ touched on it. One is hard work pays off. It really does. You have to be invested in what you do. And if you can do that, you will be successful. The other thing is it doesn't matter what you do, it's how you do it. So you can work at a school, you can work for a trash company. It doesn't matter. It's how you carry yourself when you do your job. It's not what you do, it's how you do it.
I want my son to be compassionate to others, to always do his best, to be happy. I just want happiness for him. I want him to find a career with something that he loves to do, and treat people the way he wants to be treated, respect all life on the planet, and just be compassionate.
And don't worry, be happy. To me, it would be my famous dance moves.
Show us one, Abby. What's your famous dance move? James actually already does that.
I've already taught myself how to use my dance moves. He's really good. He actually just had a dance competition the other day. He showed Kevin and AJ and myself on Skype his dance move. He does like this. His daddy taught him. That's what I'll pass on my good looks too.
For my future children or past. Honestly, I would like them to experience a life
Who do you want?
that is happy and a healthy family environment.
Amen, brother.
Would you like
There you go. All right, you guys, we're going to come down and take some photos with you now. And we hope you have fun tonight. Enjoy the show. We'll see you in a second. Thanks for coming to Soundcheck.